welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles. So, something happened during the weekend, but some of us didn't feel nor hear anything. We were dead as a pig, but so let's see how other people did the earthquake wake them up.
Awa kuku. Hey bana. Ebe ke sa re le bome Joburg ka mo ke ile ka re exam hall fela. How? How?
Yo! Got earthquake, guys. Got earthquake.
Now I know why they say Gwandola ziyaduma.
Ziyaduma, guys. Duma for real.
Afethu ne. Kunama auto amaza. Ngwabizile ne. Okay. Lama auto mafika. Ningawanyobisi.
With all due respect, what was that earthquake? What the hell was that tremor? I'm not good. What just happened? Guys, you have to understand, I was in my bed naked and I grabbed my phone and a blanket and wrapped myself up and ran to the first floor because I was scared that my building was going to crash. Get knock off fourth floor. So things like that cannot happen. Things like that cannot, you have to understand. Oh.
4:10. In the hour.
What? Hey. Zero.
Yeah, I'm sickness got to just to see this place. And I am like distressed. What the hell? What the hell?
4:10. Wow! In the hour.
What was that?
It's a million.
Thing is, what if God came and took his people, and then those that are left, and what if those that are left are the sinners that were banned? No, because
Guys, need to earthquake. Eh? Did you guys feel it? Did you guys feel the shake of the earth? Did you? I was stuck for a good 35 seconds wondering what is it? Is this the time I'm going to depart? If this building is to divide into two, where will I fall? You get me? I'm scared. I don't know who to call on. But I pause and I say, it's not my time. Now it's, amongst other things we are dealing with, buildings are shaking, cracks in the wall, windows are busting. I'm scared a lot. Scary scenes.
Nokuthi bekune earthquake sizwa ngani lena lezistress zomjolo elingakhona nokulala ebusuku licabanga amadoda. Thina singajoliyo silala behle asizwanga nokuyizwa.
Yo, we just had an earthquake, dog. What the fuck? Yo, dog, that was an earthquake. Yo.
I felt it.
Nah, that was an earthquake.
I felt it was like.
Yo, boy, that was an earthquake, dog. Shit. Nah, that was an earthquake. Damn.
Don't you felt that, right?
No, yeah, of course. Like, how do you feel about the earthquake?
I'm shaking.
You're shaking. Like, did it scare you?
Yes, of course.
Did you think you were about to die?
Yes.
Really? Did you like pull out a quick second prayer like me?
Ngathi ngenzofela eGold. Nizolo before ngilala ngiscreenshot iPhone 14 Pro Max ngithenga.
Mengithi uNkulunkulu sefuna ngife ngingayithenga ngifuna ngife ne-Android right now.
Ene monno mose o ha didimetse. O ka re tlhagare. Ke batla mamaka.
Another thing, Oscar wena ka no wina banyana ka o ba betcha. Wa nyaka go tlo recruiter le rena. Gents banyana ba betchiwa. Motho mosadi o fiwa zaka wena o dliwa boy, o tikhetetse go ba dliwa. So you recruiter le rena mo agendeng ya hao ya gore wena o wina banyana ka material. Ba o ratela so na leng sona. A ba o ratele so leng sona. But there's a difference between motho ba mo ratelang se leng sona le se a tlang ka sona. Kore o ka tla sa se tshwara selo seo.
Sizofa magazi ni aware makuzoba nama-earthquake umara bafana hayi
bicarbonate of soda yothenga ini
ba re masturbation o sharp he masturbation o sharp ra tsena no ba boya ba re gore ba re o invite evil spirit re tšwe jwang
I don't corn as America. What's this? What's this? Cucumber.
Stop saying cucumber. What is cucumber?
Okay, what's this? What's this? Again?
Hey, banna. Hey, banna. Yinanga mulaki kata ifuhlisa ka moya straight 30 kilos se kaofela. Le ba sekelenyana yae.
Mlungu.
Mlungu. Payback time.
Mara ha bia mo molatseng ke yona. Ba itšhala di drugs. E fela e ke setang go ga ya pe ke ikwa ka 2 minutes. Se ke kwa re tlhogo iyo. Ha bia mo molatseng ba itšhala di drugs ene ke rata tsone di drugs tse tamo molatseng. Ke re setang go ga e ai monate.
It's giving Zimbabwe. It's giving Zimbabwe. It's giving Zimbabwe, you see?
It's giving Zimbabwe. It's giving Zimbabwe. Yo. Hi, Baba. Hi. Yo.
Yabona unemfatlo osebentako ene lo mfatlo loye akuhlonipha. Bombonga lo mfatlo loye bayendlala abafatla abafana loye. Ene wena ungakhohlwa kumcela imali. Ene kusibusiso na umfati usebenda ukuthi unike indodza yakho imali ngoba amadodza anokuba nestress kakhulu uthola ukuthi uyajola ngaphandle ene bamcela imali lo makhwapeni ene umshado wenu usimise ngomakhwapeni so na unika le ndodza imali iyakhona ukuthi inike lo makhwapeni imali then umshado wenu uhlala uright.
Who has made you cry the most? Who has the nicest body? Who is the funniest? Who does your mom like the most? Who has cheated on you? Who was the biggest liar? Who was the best kisser? Who do you think loved you the most?
Hi.
Motho a rena ne ke robetse mare ke utlwile aowa
Go back to your ex.
me he re le rena re o arabe aowa kgane no re robala mo kae wena e ba specific re nna ke robala mo fatshe so ke ifitse ore ba o gapoletse le nterase magogo tlhokofetse ba o fa le nterase lae o tlono utlwa e labile plus bo magogo ba teng marapa a bona dile a ja le nterase steken ba o file le nterase la ya o ne re ka se utlwe o ka se re robala mo new bed o a e utlwa nthola no robetse unless no le mo strateng yes.
What if Tuli's full name is Tulita? What if?
Hi, my brother. Hey, live weed alone. Never smoke again in your life. 2 liter. Aibo. Hey, and for the sister, how can your ex score more points than your boyfriend? Hi, go back to your ex. Hey.